Assalamu alaikum. Today talk about for IP camera. This is the IP camera without IP. And this one magnet can. This one sticker have here. Remove sticker and put here. This is the magnet and there have the sticker anywhere you can put. See, this is the magnet. You can rounding 360 degree. This one and there have the application. This is the application and there barcode have. This is download. Download application. First scanning QR code. And there have the writing. Go to website, download Chrome. And download. This is mobile Android and another one have iOS. This is the iPhone and another Google Play Store and Apple Store have here and Google Play have. Can download Google Play. Connect. Escape. Now downloading and now I can put the charge. This one and this side have the SD card system and reset button. This is mode. This is reset button and this is on off button and there micro charger micro port. Red light coming. See, now can you open? Go to your application and agree. This is writing agree. And this one open. Now already work. First when you go Wi-Fi, select camera Wi-Fi BCCQ. Application, add camera, Bluetooth, open. This is the Bluetooth, opening Bluetooth, and add camera. Already coming the camera add and open. See, full clear, this one camera, full clear HD. This is AP camera without IP. AP camera only 10 meter work. 10 meter was same Wi-Fi, router Wi-Fi. You can go outside not working. There have working. Same like this camera. And outside not working.